Just a quick video here just to show you what sort of ground we're dealing with. You know, looking at lots and lots and lots of reactive ironstone, and you know, this is just what this ground's like. A lot of people don't like detecting here. A lot of people have a lot of problems detecting here. Now you can hear the detector in the background there, just nice and slick going over, but that is highly reactive. You know, that is just straight out hot rocks. As you can see here, all the ironstone, everything is all in there, and when you come here and you go over the ground, everything will give you a reading, and that's where Woody's machine comes in very handy, because it can actually balance all that out. And yeah, as I said, I mean, this is just, you know, every part of it would react, and that's just the way the ground is here. Every bit of the ground is just covered in ironstone, rust, etc. It'll just stick to your magnets, and that's why I brought Woody's machine out here, because it's very highly reactive, very highly mineralised. Yeah, and the machine just runs beautifully. No problem at all. And we're able to find targets in that, and remove all of that noise, all of that hot rock mass. Yeah, from it.